Hi friends! So let's continue studying the book of Dr. Deepak Chopra, The Third Jesus. So nasa number 12 na tayo ng 15 steps to God consciousness, lessons and exercises. So what does it mean to do not worry about tomorrow? Remember the Bible verse now where it is mentioned that let us not worry about yung today, kasi yung mga birds daw nga na even the little birds, they are being given by the Lord, they are being fed by the Lord, and kumbaga we are provided by free air, so parang we don't have to worry about these things that causes us anxieties. So sabi nga, applying the teaching is trust is the organizing power of the universe. So medyo mysterious ang mga words ni Sir Deepak Chopra. So, sabi nga, Jesus explicitly told his followers not to earn a living, save money, plan ahead, or worry about the future. Sabi niya is, diba, if he is offering one of his most radical injunction, it become the least followed. Kasi diba, meron siyang challenge na young man na to leave everything that he has and follow him. So, hindi niya kaya because he was rich. So, hindi niya finalo si Jesus. But, what does it mean not to worry about tomorrow? Kasi diba, we always worry about, or we always remember or get stuck in the past and anticipate the future. We fail to enjoy yung today. And yung today is all that we have. Remember, we are not, yung past is a experience that we have, diba? That we enjoy, or pwede rin na-hurt tayo. But, yung future is not something we are assured. We do not know if we will be there tomorrow, but we are assured of today. So parang we are encouraged to enjoy yung today, savor the moment, enjoy, appreciate. So minsan kasi hindi natin ina-appreciate what we have. We always anticipate, we plan ahead, we have a bucket list, pero yung blessings of today, hindi natin na-appreciate. So we plan for tomorrow. Hindi naman sinasabing we completely disregard this. But, yun nga, it's just a way of assuring us that the Lord is with us to help us for a good future. But, sabi nga, diba, Jeremiah 29 verse 11 is that I have a plans for you to prosper you and give you a future. So, parang nandun naman siya. We are assured of a future with Him. We just have to trust the Lord and appreciate nga the blessings of the day, the gift of today, the people that are with us, who are appreciating us, who are loving us. So, yun yung natin, no? Yung parang, so the most, sabi nga, yung exercise today is, if we take Jesus literally, the most direct way not to worry about tomorrow is to live in the present. Only the present is real. It contains the fullness of the world and the fullness of spirit at the same time. But yun nga, parang the present is elusive kasi we tend to focus on the past that happened. Siyempre, we also would like to remember yung mga good memories of the past, no? Kasi it keeps us grounded, it keeps us happy. But yun nga, yung present is the most important kasi that's all we have, that's all that is promised. Yung today, kasi it is here, it is with us, we are assured. So, yan, so that's the lesson for today's third Jesus. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.